name's Jean. I work in the Adult Services Department at the Worcester Branch Library. Toilet paper. Who knew? I'll never take it for granted again. How about you? So, what do we do when the paper's all gone and all that we have left is the cardboard roll? Well, we could turn it into a bird feeder for our feathered friends. And this is what it looks like. Here's what you need to make your feeder. A cardboard toilet paper roll, some peanut butter, or if you have a peanut allergy, you could use honey or you could use vegetable shortening. Something to spread your peanut butter with, a hole punch or something sharp to punch a small hole, some twine to hang your feeder with, or if you don't have twine, you could use fishing line or you could use some yarn, and a twig for your perch, and some bird seed. Okay, so take your toilet paper cardboard roll and you would punch 2 holes down here at the bottom and you make them across from each other. These holes are for your twig so that your birds will have a place to perch. Up at the top, punch 2 more holes across from each other. And this is where you would place your twine to hang your feeder. Next, you want to spread your peanut butter or honey or vegetable shortening onto your paper towel roll. And this is a bit messy. Now, when your roll is covered all the way, you just roll it in your bird seed. And it sticks quite well. Now what we're going to do is stick our branch through these holes right here. And there is our perch for our bird friends. And then we're going to take our twine, see if I can get it through these holes, and just feed it through the holes. This one's covered with some peanut butter. Okay, just like that. And then you bring that together at the top and tie a knot. And there's your bird feeder for your birds. Some nice recycling. Thanks for watching. Please take care and stay healthy. And don't forget to wash your hands. And we hope to see you soon at the library.